Alright, good morning everyone. This is a market radar video for Thursday morning. We're going to try to get this out a little bit earlier. It's October 2nd, second day of October. Yesterday I just want to go into what we started off yesterday. We started getting back into the TNA at the end of the day because I see a good possibility of a bounce today. Now, just let's take a look at the daily chart. We've been, since the market radar has been coming out, I like to put these out on days where we definitely see, a very clear-cut move in the market. I would say the last 4 or 5 videos have been spot on with this pulling this market back, starting with the top here. And this is a nice little top, the Alibaba top, the Scottish top, the trend line here. There was a lot of things here that just pointed out. There was a negative divergence, there was the lane divergence, it was everything here perfectly played out to the downside. Very nice to see. And as we get some momentum, there's news items out there that's really could be pressuring the market. The Tokyo protest, the Hong Kong protest, the Ebola scare, and other geopolitical events. And also we have Draghi out today and the ECB, and there's all kinds of things that are going to be going on. So the market's starting to move back up now, and I'd just say there's a good opportunity here. Good opportunity to put out a video. Got back into the TNA yesterday and looking for a pop-up this morning. The hourly is one of my key time frames here, and you can see we pulled back enough where we got the hourly again extended, and starting the morning off we could actually get that little pop. Now the market has been selling off into these rips in the morning, which has been a good trade. If you start off kind of hesitate, we end up dropping. So we want to watch that. I want to watch some levels underneath us just in case we get a fast flush. And this underlying trend line here is just a key trend line I'm going to be paying attention to. Just a nice tight trend line. And, the retracement back up here, the 20 is falling out of range. That, maybe a 10-point move down. I'm actually looking for an upside day. So I'm not saying that we're actually going to get down to that trend line. But if we do, it's an important one to watch. Remember the concept of the breakdown of that major trend just to get a retracement, see how we hold up on that. But right now, the daily, the 60, which you're looking at now, the daily, which you're looking at now, the embedded daily, kind of negative. The X marks the spot, kind of played through, but we're in that zone. The daily, like I said, the little extended and a little embedded, and the hourly here seems to be set up. And the 5-minute is another important one. We've been watching, the relationship between the opening price and the 5-minute stochastic, and we've seen that, the 5-minute's been really organized and, identifying good waves in this trend, the rising channel, the breakdown. This is, technically you could see this stuff as a divergence. You can see the stochastics rotated back real quickly here, but we didn't get any lift on the market, so we really identified this as an opportunity to break down, and we broke down and got to bounce back up, got overbought again, and you can see the bounces are not taking out any new highs, making any new highs. Here we had a slight 5-minute new high with the stochastic, but again, we start off the day with the stochastics in this extended level on the 5-minute chart. So, it's definitely a chop-filled festival here at the beginning of, end of September, beginning of October. And but today, looking for a little upside. I'm going to give it a 1-star upside. Even if we actually break down today a little bit further, looking for that reversal at one point today. So we'll leave that off. We're going to get this out to you really early today. Don't forget, we'll be live on the air all day, DayTradingRadio.com. That's DayTradingRadio.com, and stop on by. Let's see if we got all our live stream issues all working. If not, at least you have this little update from me. I'll be in the room anyway.